ear, a middle ear, and an inner ear. We have what? An outer ear, middle ear, and an inner ear. And it's very important for you guys to know our labels of each of these three divisions of the ear. The outer ear, it is made up of the pinna, the auditory canal, and the tympanic membrane. It is made up of the pinna, the auditory canal, and the tympanic membrane. The same tympanic membrane, which is also known as an eardrum. It is also known as a what? As an eardrum. Sibuya says to the middle ear. The middle ear is extremely very important. Why? Because it is made by a collective of three bones, which are known as ama-ossicles. Which are known as what? Ama-ossicles. These bones, umsebenzi wawo, is to amplify sound. It is to what? Amplify sound. They are known as the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. They are known as the hammer, the anvil, and the stirrup. But these names, the mawabona we exam, especially kabe memo. In memo is also ihema besithi oh imalias. This means they've been given or they've been rebranded. Banigezo amagama amasha. Ihema is no longer called the hammer, it is now called imalias. The anvil, it is no longer called the anvil, it is now called incas. The stirrup, it is no longer called the stirrup, it is now called staves. Basically, with an associated part of the ear, that is not a part of the ear, it is what? The EU starching tube. Umsebenzi we-starching tube, it is to equalize the pressure on either side of the eardrum. It does what? It equalizes pressure on either side of the eardrum. Unothise when uthi mhlawumbe uhamba emotweni mhlawumbe uhlele evenini ngemuva uveza ikhanda lakho ngapha eceleni ushaya umoya amandla wakho vele ngathi ayavaleka kuze ngathi sound uzwela kude until uzukhamise and uzozwa into ethi qa ivuleka. The thing is so ivuleka, it is the EU-starching tube. Isuke equalize the pressure on either side of the eardrum. Do you understand? Then we go to the inner ear. Mind you, these bones, they amplify sound, which means the bigger the bone, the lesser the amplification. The smaller the bone, the more the amplification. Low amplifies sounds lesser than the anvil. The anvil amplifies sounds lesser than the stirrup. The stirrup amplifies sounds more than hammer and the anvil. You understand?